Okay, so we're continuing on with step 2, and I have this motor here, and it's kind of a little bit in the way of what I'm trying to do. So I'm just going to click on it and then click on the eyeball here, so turn off the visibility. So it's still there, but we just want to turn the visibility off. And then we want to think about what's the best way to constrain this part. And so what I'm going to do is turn the visibility back on of the, let me just put this down here, temporary axes, okay? And so now I can zoom in on this, and right now I have see that little symbol for the filter, I have a filter on, and I want to toggle that back off because right now I can only pick faces. So I'm going to toggle that so that now I can pick that axis and then hold down the control key, and I'll pick this axis here and make that coincident. Okay, and we'll do the same. Let's see if we can do the same with this axis, and this one would be constrained to this one right here. All right, let me see, maybe I didn't grab that one. Here we go. All right, so that took all right. Again, the concern is if you have two parts like this and you want to constrain two axes for holes that are supposed to be lined up, they have to be the exact distance apart, otherwise it won't let you do it. And as I said, there's other ways if the holes aren't exactly apart. There's, like I probably could have made this face right here parallel with the inside face there, but it's better if I can do the axes. All right, so now I want to do the two faces, right? So I'll pick that face right there, and maybe I can do this without having to turn on the filter, right? And then I'm just going to hold down the control key and pick that face and then pick that. So right, so now we have that one in the right position, and let's get the other one in the right position. So let's see, we need to rotate this around. Here we go. Right, because this is going to be on the other end here. All right, so now what I'll do is zoom in here and pick that axis, and this one was going to be on the third hole. So I'll zoom in here and hold down the control key and get that axis and make that coincident. Okay, and let's see, did I get the right hole? Hopefully. So now we'll grab this axis right here, and this one should be lined up with this one here. Okay, and now we'll just go ahead and pick that surface, hold down our control key and pick that surface. All right, so let's see where we are here. All right, so we have two holes. Let's check the let's check our drawing here. All right, so this one is right in the last hole. This one has two holes on the end. Okay, and I'm going to turn the axes off here for a second so you can get a better look at it. And sometimes when you have really light pots like this, you can go to a darker backdrop like this. Well, that's a little too dark. Let's see, gray with overhead white. Yeah. All right, so I don't want to take the time, so I'll find a different background later, but right now I have to stop and go to the next video.